Okay, today I'm going to try my new pea sprouter, and I put the rest of the dun peas in here, as well as but there wasn't enough of them because they were almost gone, and then I put some more. The green ones you can see are the new sprouting peas that I bought. Anyway, we'll see how this goes. It is the 13th today, and there it is. Okay, this is the first day with my new grow system. So see, there's a little water in there. Let's see how it happens next. All right. Okay, today is the second day they're sprouting.
Okay, now this is just 10 days after starting this, and look how much that's grown. Nothing to it. Now, of course, you have to harvest them, and I had to give them a haircut with a pair of scissors. That's how they looked when they were done. And this is the bowl of yummy pea greens that I got out of these things. Nothing to it. This is quite easy. Of course, now it's time to clean it up. Now, this looks a little more difficult than it was. I just used my fingers. If I'd have used some kind of a scrubber or something like that, it would have been a lot easier. This really wasn't difficult at all. And this is a compost bin that I'm dumping it down into. And after you clean this up, there's nothing to it. This is really, really quite easy. And I think I might buy another one of these. It worked pretty good.
And so I got it all cleaned up, and it's ready to go again. What I've got in there is water that's pretty high up to the top with a little bit of bleach in it. I'm just going to let that sit in there overnight, and it'll be ready to go to plant another crop tomorrow. Worked pretty well, I think.